I have been at Minitab for actually over 30 years. And over that time, from my beginnings at Minitab, our top request was again and again and again, real-time SPC. We need to be looking at data in real time. It's taken a really long time to be actually able, it's taken time for software to be able to capture data fast enough. It's taken a time to get, the right equipment and things set up. But we now have the ability to do real-time monitoring of both your manufacturing equipment and your quality data. So first of all, I am so excited about this. This was Minitab acquired a company called Minitab DataXchange is geared towards the manufacturing equipment itself, real-time OEE visibility. So we're looking at OEE, which is again, your overall equipment effectiveness, and what it does for you is it's going to actually measure, first of all, your equipment downtime, so the percentage of time that your equipment is actually up. Multiply that times the percentage of how fast you're going. Are you getting your optimal throughput, right? Multiplied times your percent non-defective, right? That's OEE. So it's looking at your flow, your downtime or uptime, and your quality all together in one metric. And many of you are familiar with this because most companies that I actually visit have some sort of OEE dashboard going on. What we can do here is we can actually hook to your equipment. Sometimes, depending on how old your equipment is, we also provide hardware that hooks to your equipment to basically capture the OEE of your equipment, right? And again, that's a very, very important KPI for most manufacturing companies. But then what do we want to do with that? We are capturing data live in real time so we can use it. And one of the things that's really exciting with the acquisition of Minitab DataXchange is they collect the data for us. They've got the dashboards and stuff to look at your equipment downtime, look at your flow, all of that. But we've got the analytics now in Minitab that you can feed that information into our more sophisticated analytical solutions. So when we look at equipment downtime, for example, one of the things that Minitab DataXchange will do is allow you to track by machine, shift, part number, and then keep track of your root cause. So in this case, we're looking at a Pareto chart, which many of you are used to, right? Where we've actually recorded what's causing the downtime, what's causing unplanned downtime, right? What machines are causing problems. Well, think about that. We take all that information we're collecting around your machine and your equipment that's creating your product, and we can now move it into Minitab and do things like predictive analytics to determine root causes of downtime. And there's a lot of things we can do with that. So excited about being able to get this information live and in real time. Now, one part of OEE that I think a lot of manufacturers struggle with is actually the quality. So remember, OEE is a function of your equipment uptime, your equipment flow, is it working at full capacity, and your quality of the product coming out of that equipment. That's where I think a lot of people we're just watching that machine go, but the quality metrics come later, right? So when we're quantifying OEE, a lot of times the quality metrics are coming much later, end of line, last inspection. We have a scrap rate. Okay, we have a defect rate. We can plug that into our OEE equation, but that's not going to really move you up in terms of improving quality. What we want to do is track quality in real time. So now in this past year, we also acquired ProLink. ProLink is a real-time SPC data collection and reporting system. And it's phenomenal because now we don't have to look at our scrap rate at the end of the line, after everything's already been produced and we just put stuff aside because those are our defects and we get those end of line inspections, now we can watch our data as it's flowing through the process. We can see that here, oh, I have something going on this machine right now where we are out of spec. I might see here's something trending a little bit. It looks like it's going to be out of control soon. So we're going to do real-time data connection. We're going to use live control charts, so for true real-time SPC, and catch defects before they happen. We'll see when our variation has exceeded what it should be, and we'll be able to detect those trends and catch things as things are changing with nice red, green, yellow alerts. We can also see here we're looking at a specific measurement by machine with an automatic, hey, we need to see what's going on right here, because this is going to cause a problem at the end of the line. But now we know about it so much sooner by looking at alerts, variation, and whether we're in spec, out of spec, right when those defects happen, not when we're inspecting them at the end of the line. So I just think about what a difference that makes. And now we have solutions to help you with that. And again, we'll take all that data then and put it into Minitab for just unbelievable amounts of information we haven't been able to collect in the past.